Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. So here follow the fixes. Step to fix sound problem in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off, then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game and check. Fix 2. Make sure sound level in-game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Step to fix audio problem in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta if you are using Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select More devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. So I hope by following these fixes and steps you were able to easily fix sound or audio issues in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.